There are two ways to go about our life. One is to look outside and focus on what we can't control. This leads to blaming, frustration, and often a feeling of disempowerment. We lose our center and get agitated. We don't really know who we are, and we don't know our power. This is what meditation masters call the monkey mind. The other way is to look inside and focus on the only thing we can control, our mind, the way we see things, the stories we tell ourselves, and what we choose to focus on. This leads us to feeling more in control of our lives, more centered, empowered, and content. I like to call this the monk mind. The monkey mind is anxious, restless, scattered. The monk mind is calm, centered, and focused. The monkey mind seeks happiness in external things: money, fame, beauty, status. The monk mind knows that happiness is something you cultivate inside yourself. It seeks growth, contribution, connection. When the monkey mind is not feeling well, it tries to fix the situation by numbing itself through unhealthy habits, jumping from branch to branch, or working on the symptoms of the problem through things like medication. The monk mind rarely feels unwell, but if it does, it knows it just needs to let go of something or change something inside itself. It works at the root, the mind. We are all born with a monkey mind, so that's not your fault. But you have a unique opportunity right now to learn how to master your mind and master your life, to transform yourself, to go from monkey mind to monk mind. And for that, meditation is key. Live and Dare is here to support your journey of pacifying the monkey so you can unlock its powers. I am here to help you turn your mind into your best friend rather than your enemy. And this opens the door to a new life for you. The easiest way for you to get started on this path is to join my ongoing meditation program, Limitless Life. It has everything you need to build a daily meditation practice, find the best meditation technique for you, and transform yourself by applying the superpowers of meditation into your daily life. So click the orange button on the top right to join right now. Don't let the monkey mind distract you, make you postpone, or think about it. It may be telling you that you can't meditate, that this is not for you, that you're not good enough. Nonsense. Meditation is for you. You can do this, and the sooner you start, the better. But if you're really not ready yet, then you can download my free guide, subscribe to the newsletter, read the blog, and get to know more about the meditation approach. Now it's up to you. Will you live with the monkey mind or the monk mind? Join me in my mission to make 1 million people calm, centered, and focused.